Here at Gramophone, we do a lot of custom installation work in consumers' homes and in commercial jobs as well. And the whole key to doing those types of jobs is understanding what you need to do to customize it to make it right. I'm Joe with Gramophone, and today we're lucky enough to be with our friend Lee from Steinway-Lyngdorf.
Hey,
How are you, Lee?
great. Glad to be here.
Good. Great to see you. We were together in Denmark not long ago, and we did both factory tour, and we'll put links to the descriptions for those, but also a listening test, if you will. And Lee, we heard just some fantastic sounds, and we'll make sure we link to that one as well, because you can't believe how good not only the finest products that you have, but some of the much more affordable products that you have. They really sounded incredible.
They are, yeah. Some of the stuff is much more real world livable, and we try and make sure that performance trickles down into that as well.
Yeah, and you guys do a great job of it. So, one of the things we're going to focus on today, though, is you've got some new solutions that really help us do the customization work that I talked about.
We
So,
do, yeah. So we had a couple of products that were really well received because they're designed to fit into a more normal living space, to be able to bring performance audio into those spaces. And we got some requests from dealers for other types of applications around them. Our FR2 speakers you guys have on display, I think we did a video on those before. They're great because it's a high performance tower speaker that can go up against the wall. But a lot of dealers ask for a more suitable center channel to work with it, or something that could hang on the wall, and led to our LCR2. Same drivers, same performance, just a different shape. And a lot of people said that's great. Sometimes we need something simple to just hang under a TV, which led to our SB75 speaker bar. Again, same drivers, same performance. And we do have an in-wall version also, the D60.
and let's talk performance more generally just for a quick moment, because TV sets, of course, just keep getting thinner and thinner and bigger and better and bigger, both. But obviously, the biggest difference between a top of the line TV from 30 years ago and a top of the line TV now, outside of the obviously far better picture now, is that there's just no room for speaker solution. And unfortunately, a lot of folks, for aesthetic reasons, wind up defaulting to a sound bar that frequently is modestly priced, but oftentimes from a performance perspective isn't that much better than the little speakers in the TV, which is where we really appreciate what you guys are doing, because it allows us to bring real performance.
Right. That's the idea. I mean, the problem with a modern TV is there's no cabinet. Well, problem and benefit. That's part of what makes a TV so cool.
That's right.
With no space and no cabinet, you can't possibly get good sound. Same problem when we make a small, thin plastic speaker. One, designed for budget. Two, it's just the way they're designing them. They just don't have any space for real sound, and they don't have real drivers in them. That's where something like an SB75 can come in. We can match it to a TV and still get great performance.
Mhm. And the SB75 is not just for a 75-inch TV,
Right.
because you can customize it if you need to.
Right, right. So the 75 is standard to a 75-inch panel, but we can make them custom for a 77, an 82, a 98, really for whatever we want, that we can get that same kind of look for that.
And we really appreciate that, because so many of our vendors know this is the SKU, it is what it is. But, a lot of times we really would prefer to have something that truly looks custom, as though it was made for that TV. And you can do that for
And
us.
helps fit the space and look right in the place. And as you saw in our factory tour, well, we actually build the stuff there in little Skive, Denmark, that we can build out of HDF, and we could even do custom colors if we want. We are finding that most people want black under the TV because it tends to match the TV, but we can even do them in a white if we wanted it in white instead.
If you haven't thus far, please like and subscribe. Helps us out a ton and doesn't cost you anything. And please leave a question or a comment down below, because we love interacting with our viewers. So now let's take a little bit of a look underneath the hood here and see what we've actually got in this soundbar. So, Lee? So some of our viewers might not be aware of the extent to which some vendors just use basically off-the-shelf drivers that they put in their speakers, but that's not how you guys approach it.
Yeah, these are bespoke drivers for us, and are very high performance units, which is part of why we say you can still get real high performance even out of a speaker bar. So same drive units that we're using in the LCR2 are in the FR2, in our D60 in-wall, and in our FR2 tower. And you've gotten to hear some of those. They're pretty impressive.
Oh, yeah.
So these are kind of built, that the reason we started at 75 and we have a standard 75-inch size is this is kind of the minimum size we want to use these in to still get low bass response out of it.
Mhm.
Uh, that we can't really go any smaller. Now we can go larger and we actually still keep it at the same tuning volume and just have some dead space between, but we can go larger, just not smaller. That we're actually worried about the performance. And yes, you can get a smaller bar, you can get a shorter bar, but you're not going to get the performance we get out of this. That it just, when you're using drivers of this quality and this performance, it's a different level.
Right.
And this, even this speaker bar will do 117 dB, which is pretty crazy when you think about it.
That's a lot of output.
It is a lot of output out of a speaker bar.
Yep. And it's actually the same drivers in the on-wall product as
Correct. Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, same drivers, same tuning. These are a little smaller counted. This is actually as small as we want to use with these drivers to not have like an exaggerated hump in the mid bass, but they just won't play quite as low. But that's okay. This speaker is designed to be used with subwoofers all the time. It's not that a subwoofer isn't still a benefit using this bar, but in some instances, people want cleaner, simple, or simply don't have the space. This can be used on its own, whereas these really need to be used with a subwoofer. Same thing with our M1, the D60 version.
Yep. And that's one of the beauties of doing business with Steinway and Lyngdorf is that there are, these various applications where we might want in-wall or freestanding is fine, or it's got to be a sound bar or on-wall. You really can help us in almost all these applications. And that's great for us because, when it comes to custom, every job is just a little bit different from the last one. You never know what you need.
It's called custom integration for a reason.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And to be able to deliver custom with high performance, your brand really helps us with that. So, yeah.
Right. We're glad to be here.
So thank you folks so much for watching this video. We really appreciate having you along for the ride as we talk about the various performance solutions. We have stores in Columbia and Gaithersburg, as well as Timonium, Maryland, where we are today. And we've got Gramophone Design Build just up the road from us in Hunt Valley. If you haven't paid a visit to us, we'd love to see you and talk about whatever it is that might be the right thing for your project. So many of our brands, of course, are also represented at Sky by Gramophone, where you're always going to get a secure checkout with fast and free shipping straight to your door. Thanks again so much for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in our next one.